Best L-shaped sofa slipcover. We review top 5 best L-shaped sofa slipcover. Easygoing 4-piece stretch soft couch cover. For an average sofa between 60 and 85 inches long. The easygoing 4-piece slipcover is one of the best options to make your couch look like new again. The stretchy, durable slipcover is made from a polyester spandex blend, and it comes in many different colors, including both neutrals and more vibrant shades of red and blue. What's unique about this slipcover is its 4-piece design. Instead of simply having one piece of fabric that stretches over the whole couch, it includes individual covers for the frame of the couch and 3 seat/back cushions. Northern Brothers Loveseat Slipcover. The Northern Brothers Loveseat Slipcover is an affordable and stylish way to revive an old loveseat. This slipcover works best on small sofas between 57 and 74 inches long. And it comes in more than a dozen pretty shades. You're sure to find something that suits your tastes. The 3-piece design includes individual covers for 2 seat or back cushions, as well as a larger cover for the frame of your loveseat. The slipcover is made from a soft textured fabric with elastic strips around the edges for a snug fit. And the material can be machine washed in cold water if it ever gets stained or dirty. Orvis Kryptonite Furniture Protector. Pets can certainly make a mess of furniture, which is why the Orvis Kryptonite Furniture Protector is a worthwhile purchase for any pet owner. The cover comes in Loveseat, 55-inch, sofa, 70-inch, and extra-large sofa, 86-inch, sizes. And there are a few pet-friendly fabric options to choose from, as well. Unlike most slipcovers, which cover the entire sofa, the Kryptonite Furniture Protector mainly protects the seat, arms, and back of your couch, and this design makes it easier to remove for washing. Concerned that the cover won't stay in place? Don't be. First of all, it has a non-skid, grip-tight backing that prevents it from slipping around on your sofa's fabric. Red Barrel Studio Spandex Box Cushion Recliner Slipcover. If you can't bear to part with your beloved recliner, even if it has seen better days, be glad to know that recovering your comfy chair is as easy as purchasing this slipcover from Red Barrel Studio. The micro suede cover is incredibly soft to the touch with a subtle check pattern, and it can be installed on either a manual or electric recliner with a right side handle. The slipcover is best for recliners between 24 and 33 inches wide and 29 to 37 inches tall. And its unique design features 2 elastic loops at the back corners that you pull through to the back of the recliner. House of Hampton Damask Printed Stretch Box Cushion Armchair Slipcover. You can give your favorite armchair a whole new look with the House of Hampton Damask Armchair Slipcover. The 2-piece slipcover fits D-cushion or barrel armchairs that are 32 to 47 inches wide and 32 to 42 inches deep. And its intricate damask-style design will make your chair the focal point of any room. This armchair slipcover includes one large piece to put over the frame of the chair, as well as a single cushion cover for the seat.